You know what I really want? I want a platypus.
Oh, he's done. Look at all the birdies.
They are adorable.
Oh, they're still playing. Look.
Huh? Platypus?
Here you go.
You know, like Terry the platypus, but an actual one?
That's adorable. Oh no, run. There's one up there too.
No.
The bird
Yeah.
likes I'm just checking out at PetSmart.
I'll show you.
You know, just PetSmart life.
That bird must like that.
Over here, there's these. Yep, birds.
Hey, do you want to look at those fancy?
Just birds.
Oh my goodness gracious. I like the fancy.
They are so flipping adorable. Look, he's playing with it again. Playing with it.
Wow, you can buy mealworms.
And they're all.
Duh, to eat.
Angela, look in the bottom. They want to play too. Look, just play with that one.
Oh yeah, look.
No, not this one. This one. Look, the yellow one.
There's another yellow one.
I think it's food.
That's not food, that's wood.
They just like playing with it, I
There's
think.
those
They must be
too.
very smart.
That's like a cat there. Swim.
I like the white
They
one.
have a.
Look, there's a little chat room going on there.
Fancy parakeet. Come on, fancy lap, fancy.
Like a
Fancy
doggy
lap,
cat
fancy mouse,
and
fancy
fish
parrot.
together.
It's adorable.
Look, he's climbing it.
No.
Okay.
No.
Peace out, guys.
Adorable.
Bye.
Don't even watch.